Hey guys, how's it going? How to publish your website on Google with Wix. So first of all, go ahead and open up your browser, and as you can see right here, it says here's how you get here's how to get your website on Google. First step, submit your site to Google, prioritize proactive indexing, choose the perfect keywords, and then manage your meta tags, optimize for mobile, and then prove that you are local with your address and everything. And then seventh step, lay an external link trail, and then lastly, perfect your internal linking. So make sure that you have the Wix website and the Wix address in check, so you can publish on your website on Google with Wix. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.